Hello and welcome. In today's screencast, we guide you through 4 questions to help you choose an internet voice service provider. Along the way, you'll decide if one of the 3 basic providers for such service makes the most sense for your needs. This might be your cable TV company, a specialty internet voice provider, or the popular Skype phone service. The first thing you must decide is if the cable TV company can meet your phone needs. If you are already a cable customer, you may very well be able to get a discount for adding internet phone service to your account. For example, Time Warner normally charges about $30 a month for phone service, but if you upgrade an existing account, you'll save $10 a month for the first year of such service. If you only have cable TV service at present, without high-speed internet access, you'll need to replace your current cable box with something that supports internet voice, or perhaps to add a second box for voice support. Here's how to decide if you should take the cable route to internet phone service. If you don't make many domestic long-distance calls, but do place lots of international calls, or if you need more than one local phone number, you may decide that turning to the cable company for phone service doesn't make sense. Same goes if you need calling features that may be unavailable from cable internet voice plans. But those who don't have such needs, or who appreciate the convenience of paying only a single bill for voice and cable and possibly internet service, may find cable company offerings to be just what they need. Your next decision point turns on how many international calls you make. For most of you, that means calls you place outside North America. All of the internet voice providers offer major discounts on such calls at rates of just pennies per minute. Some internet voice providers, such as Packet 8, offer unlimited international calling if you subscribe to a higher cost monthly service plan. Others offer higher cost plans that include minute allotments for international calls in general, or that offer unlimited international minutes but only to certain countries. You'll need to let the countries you call most frequently guide your selections among these offerings. To that end, you might want to look at the reviews of and comparisons among internet voice providers, available at www.whichvoip.com. for input. A third decision point hinges on whether you want to keep your existing home phones or not. If you want to keep your phones, cable company and voice specialty providers all work with them, but you must disconnect from a phone company hookup and connect into a special phone adapter box that the internet voice provider supplies. You may have to pay for this box, though rebates often do apply. You might have to hook an adapter box up to your high-speed internet modem, typically using an internet cable, though some high-speed modems, such as the WebStar, include an RJ11 jack you can use to make the link between your phone line and that device. If you do need a separate adapter, you may also have to pay to wire the modem to that adapter if the two can't be placed in close proximity to one another. On the other hand, if you don't mind giving up your existing phones, Skype equipment comes in 2 distinct flavors. One uses software that runs on computers, including Windows and Macintosh operating systems. The other is hardware-based and doesn't require a computer to be turned on and available to work. The software option also requires a headset that includes a microphone and an earpiece, so that you can use your computer to place and receive calls. The hardware option requires purchasing more expensive equipment, but includes wireless options that can work from a wireless home network and other wireless networks to which you might connect. Some hardware offerings, like one from Belkin, cost $175 and require you to purchase Skype service for $30 per year as well. Other hardware offerings, like Netgear's SPH200H phone, work like typical cordless phones with their own wireless communications and a base station, and are compatible with conventional phone lines and Skype. This approach lets you use more sophisticated and powerful phones, but also adds to the upfront costs involved. Be sure to balance your monthly savings for phone service against the hardware costs when you're considering this approach. The fourth and final decision point is whether or not you need more than one internet voice line. This can be important when multiple members of your household need to use the phone simultaneously, or when teens prefer the phone to instant messaging. In that case, more expensive plans from Verizon VoiceWing or AT&T CallVantage, which include a second line as part of their services, may make sense for your particular situation. Though there are many choices, you can let your needs for phones, international calls, and budget help lead you to a good choice. Please consult www.geekbooks.com/VoIP-comparison.htm for more help and information as you work through your choices. Please go to digitallanding.com for more information, other screencasts, and articles about your digital lifestyle.